Hello everyone, welcome to Brilbook. In this video, we will have a look at production process for completion of sales order. We have divided this process into two different parts. In the first part of this video, we saw creation of sales order, order line and order batch. Then we saw creation of production order against order batch, and then at last we saw completion of production order. And in this video, we will see movement of order item after completion of production order. Then we will see commercial approval for order batch, then pending order, packaging order, load and shipment, and at last we'll see sales order completion. So for this process we need to log in to Brilbook. Here I have already logged in with production user to show you the record of production order. We are on the detail page of production order, and here you can see status of production order is marked as completed and all the production order items are marked as completed. So now we will log in with inventory user and I will show you the record of inventory movement that have been created against this production order. Now I have logged in with inventory user and we are on the detail page of inventory movement. Here you can see that inventory movement for angular contact ball bearing for 10 quantity has been done and status of inventory movement is completed. So now I will log in with sales user and further process a sales order. I have logged in with sales user and we are on the detail page of sales order. Here we can see status of our sales order is in progress. Now we will go to the order batch and see commercial approval of order batch. For that, navigate to items tab, open order line, now on the order line detail page, navigate to order batch tab. And here you can see status of order batch is marked as submitted for commercial approval. Open the order batch record. On the order batch record, select painting type. I will select painting type as special and set priority as high. You can set priority as per your requirement and select your painting type. Now select packaging type. I will select packaging type as wooden and priority as medium, and then click on save button. Now click on approval and then click on approve button. We have approved our order batch and status of our order batch is changed as in painting, and we can see we have received a notification regarding creation of painting order. Under the painting order tab we can see painting order is created. So now we will log in with the user, Brilbook user, who have the access of painting and packaging management. So now I will log in with the Brilbook user who is having the access of painting and packaging management. Now I have logged in with the Brilbook user having access of painting and packaging management, and we are on the detail page of painting order. Here you can see painting location, so set painting location and then click on save button. Now click on mark in progress button on the ribbon of the painting order detail page. Status of our printing order is marked as in progress. Now, and you can see mark complete button appeared on the ribbon. Click on mark complete button. With this, our painting order has been completed. Status is marked as completed. Now we'll go back to the order batch. For that, click on the hyperlink into the order batch field. Now click on packaging order, and as we have completed our painting order, we can see our packaging order has been created. Click on the packaging order record and open the record. Here, set packaging location and then click on save button. Click on the mark in progress button on the ribbon of packaging order detail page. Status of packaging order is marked as in progress. Now click on mark complete button. Our packaging order is completed. As well, we can see that status is marked as completed. Again, we will go back to the order batch by clicking on the hyperlink. And here we can see status of our order batch is marked as packaging completed. Now we will go to the order line detail page and further process towards the load and shipment process. Status of our order line is marked as reserved. Now click on create item button on the ribbon of order line detail page. Our order items are created. Now we will select these order items and then click on mark ready for shipment button. Status of order item is marked as ready to shipment. Now click on details tab. Here you can see status of our order line is reserved only. Now we will log in with inventory user and then we will further proceed towards the load and shipment process. I have logged in with inventory user, and now for creation of load, navigate to inventory, expand inventory menu list and then click on loads. On the loads list page, with the help of create button, we will create a new load record. Here status, let it be as loaded. Enter vehicle number. I will enter vehicle number as 4603 and then click on save button. Our load record is now created and we can see shipment tab appeared. Click on shipment tab and then click on create button. Now on the shipment create page, select account. I will select account as Aarti Drug that we have selected while creating sales order. Now select delivery method by air. You can select delivery method as per your requirement and then click on save and save button. Our shipment record is now created and different tabs like order items and associate term appeared. So now navigate to order items tab and then click on create button and then click on full form. Add name for order item shipment. I will add name as angular ball bearing shipment. Select regarding. I will select regarding as order, and then query selected as active order, and then the order number. Our order number was ORD0046. Then select order line and then select order batch. Now click on save and close button. Under the order items tab, you can see our order item record is created. Now click on create item button, and we can see that under the items tab our shipment items are created. Now we will go back to the load record. On the load detail page, now status of our shipment is new. We have created our order items and we have created our shipment items. After that we will change status of our load as in transit. So for that we will go back to the load record. Select status as in transit and then click on save button. Status of our load record is changed as in transit. Now click on shipment record, and on the shipment detail page you can see that there is a mark as delivered button appeared on the ribbon. Click on mark as delivered button. And we can see that our shipment is marked as delivered. And as we have marked our shipment as delivered, our load is also marked as delivered. So with this we have completed the process of load and shipment. Now we will go back to the sales order record and check the status of our order and order line. I have logged in with sales user and we are on the detail page of the order. We can see that status of our order is marked as completed after marking our shipment as delivered. Now we will check status of our order line, and here you can see status of our order line is also marked as delivered. So with this we have successfully completed the process of sales order. So in this video we saw movement of order item after completion of production order. Then we saw commercial approval of order batch, painting order, packaging order, load and shipment, and at last we saw completion of sales order. Thank you.